This is the Mazda Protege manual 2.0 liter non-ABS engine harness. I'll just show you all the connections before we start packing it up. Start from the interior. It's the fuel sending unit, reverse lamps, so the e-brake. These are under the dash connections, along with this. That's the main ECU connector. Into the engine bay, cruise control, map sensors. On the driver's side, this is the OBD2 diagnostic. It's the main ground, no burns. This is map sensor and intake temperature sensor. Fuse box connector. Those are not burns, they're dielectric grease from the factory. EGR. It's a connector near the throttle body. This is manual transmission plug for that speed sensor on the transmission. This is fuel pressure, PRC. These are injector connectors. VTCS and VIX, knock sensor, coil pack, AC and power steering, crank, and cam sensor. This coolant temp, the black connector beside the coolant temp, ground, O2 sensor, manual transmission reverse sensor,